Domba Coffee Factory. Let's go! Yay!
Yeah. So our factory sells some of coffee, Bali coffee, and black coffee. What our coffee? Ito mo po? Usually we look in the market the coffee bean like this.
The coffee
Okay.
bean, okay.
Like the flat bean, okay? So this one we call it the female bean.
Oh, babaeng
So
bean.
and we'll choose the round bean like this.
What is this?
This is the male bean.
Oh,
Male.
this is the female bean and this is the male bean. Oh.
Yeah, the round is the male bean and the flat is the female bean. So
Hmm.
in the one tree, the male bean only have 3 to 5%.
Okay.
So the 95 to 97% all the female bean. So you drink in the Starbucks, you buy in the market all the female bean.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's for the male bean will be stronger, nutty, bitter, but not sour. For the female, it's smooth and flat and light.
Okay.
Okay? So beside this bean, we'll choose the defect bean like this. Okay? For this one, we do not throw out. We will sell to the market for the low price of